Yeah, my destiny. Okay, yeah. All right, no problem. I'm here. Yeah. What me that say? You know, you're the driver. Where driver afraid of this nice, beautiful queen? For when afraid of? The driver can't afraid of the driver. Have me tune them. I play from top to bottom. All of them have. Some of them don't even know me song them, and the driver have all of them, and them are Spanish. And I should have shame on myself for royal crazy. See them nice, see? The driver of all of my music. Invited arena if you're concerned. Welcome the queen of dancer. Pop, pop, popcorn, pop up. Amen. I hear this. I sent Thomas, man. I will be saved by the grace of God. Them killer people dead anywhere. England, Jamaica, any pussy class. When I hear time, I hear time. Nobody now scare me. People dead everywhere. Surgery, some people just have complications. It's life. Some come through, some pull through, and some don't. No fear. No fucking fear. No fear. Me and God are going to go to devil. Yeah, forget about my nice, beautiful smile. Yeah? You know, I drive out there, you know. I fix up what I care, zero my dear. So outside there, now watch the road. Hallelujah, hallelujah, the queen is in the air. Hallelujah, hallelujah, the queen I go fix her teeth. Hallelujah, 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 queen de the air. Queen de the air, queen de the air, queen de the air to fix her teeth. Design nobody design. Oh, class. I never put to push you, look at it. Whoa! I can't create it double tap. I'm so excited. At the same time, I get emotional when I remember, whoa. Why I created life is such a balance, man. My mama put that one balling, man. Me and my first one. And that little girl that love me, you know. It come like I went to dead, me so she love me. Like the dead when she dead, I saw me so she idolize me. Everything she said, Queen, St. Thomas girl, lucky girl, you can't do this, you get through. Everything that little girl egg me on with, she boots me. Ruin. Hey, me love myself, I rate myself still, you know. Because me, I tell you, you know, man. I stand up strong, you know. I think when I break it up. But I have to live myself a bit happy. She said, "Mommy, don't change." She writes in her book, I said, "Mommy, don't change. Mommy, be happy." I think I that keep me strong every time I remember. She said, "I'm not to change." She love when I'm crazy. Don't change for nothing, Mom. Be happy. What's that? What's that? Listen. As my top over, I'm crying. Still hurt, you know. It's still fucking hurt. No matter how much jump on brands, no matter how much country I go, no matter how much, you know, it's so fucking hurtful every time I remember my play. She just did it no time, so bumble clock. That made me stronger still, you know. I make my rain more, you know. Right from my birthday, she's toxic. You see that? All the time when I left Rachel, I must have rushed me. When I left, you know. She said, "No, Mom, go and do it after." She said, "I'm scared." She said, "I'm scared." But couldn't be of some that I suffer some. Father God, give me one day. She deteriorate to nothing. When I see Rachel, I'm afraid to look at Rachel. I'm going to have to put on that brave fucking face. Put on that brave face and go into the hospital bed. Lie down in the bed with her, Mr. Roro. I run the Lefino. She said, go, Mom, go and do what you have to do. And she wait for me, you know. She wait for me. One day I come to Wednesday. I come the 5th of September. For the day month. The 5th of October, I come back and she did the 6th. As I come, I jump in at the bed, I'm say, come back and sit here. That time, our last little breath, I left in her.
Hello. Oh, yeah, man.
It's so crazy. Yeah, Mama, miss my pet, man. From the 2nd of December, from my birthday, when that's called, man. So, Mama will be there. Me say, who did I want?